Happy New Year, my beautiful friends. Okay, so plan is to get this thing together eventually, but yesterday was my birthday, so last week I got myself a gift. So I'm going to do an unboxing. It is car related. I think it's pretty cool, so hopefully you guys like it. Here we go. So, what did I pick up for myself? You probably know by the heading of the video now. It's a jack. It's a new jack. Because I don't have enough jacks. Instructions. This looks like the base. So I can see. Yeah, there we go. Right, so there's the base. Looks pretty sturdy. Holy shit. So, how it works is with pneumatic air, and it pushes it up. All right, so there's a base. Here. The handle. Oh man, this is, holy shit. There's nothing to put together. I love it. Wheels are already installed. I love it when stuff comes put together pretty much. Alright, let's get the destructions because I do like to follow instructions. But I need glasses because I am blind. Blah blah blah. Okay. This is pretty much it. That. Not very much to this, baby. Okay, that would be that. All right. I'll shorten that out right there. we're going to I don't know. Let's test it first. Alright, pause this and get her set up for test. Well, there you go. I'm definitely not going to be working off the jack, as you can see. I'll be putting jack stands, but I'm thinking that's pretty. That's enough. Wrong one. That's not that I think I like it. I'm content with that. So, let me see. Okay. I like it. I don't know what you guys think. I'm going to lose the Wi-Fi module. There we go. There we go. Now I can see me on the screen. So that's pretty sweet. It's pretty sweet. Get some good height out of it. Lifts the car pretty easy. So I'm happy with it. Tell me what you guys think. So yeah, hopefully I'll get back in here more often. Definitely. Yeah, hold me to it, guys. This thing will be on the road this year. Hold me to it. I need to be held accountable. Because if I'm not, I get lazy. All right, I hope everyone's having a great Sunday. Love you all. Ciao.